Hi everyone, welcome to What's in the Box. Today I will be unboxing the Evga Geforce Gtx 1080Ti. I took the specs from the official website of the product, so they're shown at the lower hand corner of the screen. Let me get this plastic out of the way. Alright. Okay. Yeah, I got this from Mike's computer shop through Amazon.ca. Yes, I ordered it online. It came pretty well packaged. Yeah, there you go. Serial numbers there. Alright. Let's open it. Oh, there you go. Jeez, this is challenging to open. Alright, let me try the other side. Okay. Oh, there you go. Now, we got this nice cushion foam packaging here. Oh, looks like I got it the other way around. Alright, turn it over. Okay. Now, what's in the box is, first and foremost, this, what is this? It's a poster. Okay, this is a poster of Evga Superior Hardware. I guess it's a poster of their mascot. I don't know. I'm not sure I'll be keeping that, but whatever. And here we have this manual. Inside is the CD driver with a badge, like some quick reference charts over here, and yeah, right, so there you go, the chart of the outputs, and yeah, got the manual there, and yeah, two stickers, one black and one white. Now onto the card itself. Got nice packaging there. Ooh, this is heavier than I thought. Wrapped in anti-static plastic. So, yeah, there you go. Got two fans. And what's in here? Oh, yeah, the power connectors. This is a 6-pin. And what's this other one? Oh, it's the 8-pin. Sorry about the focusing of the camera. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be focusing properly. Well, there you go. That's all that's in the box for the Evga Geforce GTX 1080Ti. Thank you very much, and see you again.